Are you looking for the next craft beer? Well, maybe the Commodore by Ballast Point is the one for you. Welcome back, everybody. So we are going to try the Commodore. Now, I have to say I did this on purpose. I've had this for a while, and I guess before I do that, I didn't look up the batch number, but it is CM23-16198. I'm pretty sure I've had this for over 6 months, but I wanted to let it rest. I didn't want to open it and drink it right when I got it. So this is a 6.5% ABV and 60 IBU. The ABV is on the bottle. I don't know about the IBU. I will check in a second. ABV, just ABV. 3 times. They can put the ABV on there 3 times, but they can't put the IBUs. This is considered a American Stout by the bottle, dry roasted stout. American Stout is what they have on Untapped also. Chocolate head is what I'm seeing. Mostly medium bubbles. I do have a couple small, but for the most part, all small bubbles. If we look at the color, I want to say I do have a little bit of a hue at the bottom, but I can't see through it. Very, very dark brown is the color I would go for on this one. Let's go ahead and get a smell. Roasted malts, a little bit of sweetness. I'm not sure if they use lactose in this beer. It doesn't really say anything. Yeah, like a little sweetness, a very good roasted malt smell. Maybe a tiny bit of alcohol, but I think it's that sweetness and that roasted malt that are playing off each other to create the smell that I think is alcohol. Because for a 6.5, you shouldn't really be getting alcohol. Let's go ahead and get a taste. It is dry. Yeah, big roasted malt, some chocolate, sweetness in there. They have to be using lactose in this. Yeah, it's like a sweet roasted malt taste and a little bit of bitterness in the back. Yeah, like it does linger. There's a tiny bit of coffee, chocolate in the back before it goes down. I think after, drinking all these IPAs, New England IPAs, double IPAs, this is a refreshing beer to me anyway. I'm glad it's almost winter. But yeah, very, very solid beer in my opinion. I'd probably have to go with a 4.25 on this one. I wish the chocolate, maybe a little bit more of the coffee would come out. Now, obviously, they're saying it's a roasty stout, which I do think it is from those roasted malts. Very good beer. Head staying around, getting some lacing. Let's see what Untapped says. Wow. So there have been 42,000 ratings on this beer. Average is a 3.72. And 6 of my friends have rated this for a 3.75. Rob is one of them. Good stout. A bit more bitter than some stouts, but still good. Very slight cocoa finish. I'm guessing it's because mine's older that it's bringing out those flavors more. Because to me, it's ready to be drank. Yeah, very, very good beer. Let me know if you guys have aged one. Maybe what I'll do is I will look up that bottle date that's on here and put it in the video, so that way you guys can see. But I know I've had this beer at least 6 months. I'm pretty sure. And I don't know. Oh, is there another date on there? 071 A12249. I don't know what that is. But the first two numbers are 16, so I don't know if that's 2016, because if I've had it for at least 6 months and the stores had it for a little bit, that would have been in 2016. But I don't see how this beer is rated at a 3.75 in my eyes. But again, like I said, I have aged this one. But yeah, definitely a good beer. Let me know if you guys have aged one of these, or what other beers that are not like Black Note or barrel-aged beer that you have aged and you did enjoy more. Maybe what I'll try and do next year is buy one of these, then buy one when it first comes out, and do a side-by-side taste test to see if we can really see the difference. But yeah, to me, very good. So until next time, happy brewing. Thank you for watching this video. Thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. Leave me a comment down below to tell me what you thought about this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and share, and hit that bell so you know when new videos are coming out. You can check out these videos over here. Also, head over to 31stbrewing.com for everything beer and home brewing related.